Intro, energetic music playing. Cut to dynamic visuals of lush landscapes and futuristic cities. Host, enthusiastically. Welcome back, Earth Changers. Today, we STORYTIME are diving into a mind-blowing concept, rebuilding the Earth from scratch. Imagine a blank canvas where possibilities are limitless. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of a new world? STORYTIME's get started. Transition, visuals of destruction juxtaposed with regeneration. Host. First, let STORYTIME's visualize what we STORYTIME beginning with. Picture a world ravaged by pollution, deforestation, and climate change. But fear not, because every challenge brings an incredible opportunity to innovate. Think of sustainable cities powered by renewable energy, sprawling forests thriving with biodiversity, and oceans teeming with healthy marine life. Sounds like paradise, right? Visual, animations of sustainable technologies. Host. So, how do we start building this utopian dream? We harness the power of technology, from solar panels soaking up the STORYTIME's radiant energy to wind turbines spinning like giant pinwheels. Technology will be our greatest ally. Imagine smart cities where waste is recycled, and every building contributes positively to the environment. Transition, footage of diverse communities collaborating. Host. But wait, STORYTIME is not just about technology. Rebuilding the Earth means embracing community. Envision diverse cultures coming together, sharing ideas and working hand in hand. Wow, we'll cultivate not just our land but our relationships too. Community gardens, eco-villages, and collaborative economies will foster connection and creativity. Now, the STORYTIME's the spirit. Visual, lush greenery, and vibrant wildlife. Host. And let STORYTIME's not forget Mother Nature. Our reconstruction must prioritize the environment. Reforestation efforts will bloom, restoring habitats and reviving endangered species. With every tree we plant, STORYTIME are not just combating climate change, STORYTIME are breathing life back into our planet. Conclusion, uplifting background music. Host. There you have it, visionaries. Rebuilding the Earth from scratch is not just a dream. STORYTIME's our responsibility and opportunity. Together we can create a world where people and nature thrive harmoniously. So what are you waiting for? Let our STORYTIME's take action today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay inspired and let our STORYTIME's change the world together. Outro, engaging music fades out.